Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Renewed calls this evening for a comprehensive review of the country's tax system. The call was made by opposition Senator Lambert Brown as the upper house debated and passed an act to repeal the minimum business tax. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
The minimum business tax was originally introduced in 2014 as part of an effort to collect tax from entities that otherwise were not filing or paying income tax. Early this year, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke removed the $60,000 tax as of April 1 this year. The Senate today continued the formal process. Leader of Government Business in the Senate, Kamina Johnson-Smith, says the abolition of the tax will be retroactive to January 1, 2019.
Mr. President, the removal of this tax with which we proceed today and its associated filing requirements will reduce the tax burden on micro and small businesses.
Small business operators had been calling for the abolition of the tax, and now that it has been removed, Government Senator Cavan Gale says businesses should take advantage of the removal.
This may encourage small business now to enter the market and further create more employment opportunities.
But for opposition Senator Lambert Brown, while some business operators celebrated the removal, Jamaicans continue to face rising costs. It's why he's renewing calls for a comprehensive tax review.
In 2017, the 31st of March, I moved a resolution in the Senate asking for us to discuss a comprehensive review of our tax system. That's what I asked for. And I said further, be it further resolved that the review involve participation from a broad cross-section of stakeholders, including persons representing the interests of those sections of the population who will be adversely affected by the increased indirect taxation.
Meanwhile, on Sunday, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips called for a 2% reduction in the general consumption tax GCT.
I'm certain that if it can be done, if it can be facilitated, the history has shown to the people of Jamaica that the Jamaica Labour Party administration will act in an appropriate way.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.
The US dollar ended the day selling for $135.82. The Canadian dollar closed at $102.28. Sterling is going for $177.52, while the euro is being sold for $148.91. In today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 2,590 points to close at 501,372 points. The junior market index advanced by 18 points to close at 3,374 points. The main winners were CAC 2000, Caribbean Fragrances and Flavors, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Everything Fresh, and Stanley Motor. On the losing side were Sterling Investments, Mayberry Investments, Pulse Investments, Lasco Manufacturing, and Productive Business Solutions. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.